How to use ChatGPT to avoid traffic jams. While it may not be possible to completely avoid traffic jams, there are some strategies you can use to minimize the amount of time you spend stuck in traffic. Here are a few tips. 1. Plan your route. Before you leave, plan your route carefully. Use a GPS or map app to find the best route based on traffic conditions, and avoid areas where you know there are likely to be congestion or road closures. 2. Avoid peak hours. Try to schedule your trips outside of peak traffic hours. Rush hour typically occurs during commute, so if possible, plan your trips for mid-morning or mid-afternoon. 3. Use public transportation. Consider using public transportation, such as buses or trains, to avoid traffic altogether. This can be a good option for commuting to work or running errands in a busy city. 4. Carpool. If you have coworkers or friends who live nearby, consider carpooling to reduce the number of cars on the road. This can help alleviate traffic congestion and reduce your carbon footprint. 5. Stay informed. Stay up to date on traffic conditions by checking local news or traffic apps before you leave. If there is a major accident or road closure, you may need to adjust your route or delay your trip. While it may not be possible to completely avoid traffic jams, using these strategies can help you minimize the amount of time you spend stuck in traffic and make your trips more efficient. Here are some reputable sources that provide information about traffic jams. Traffic.com. Traffic.com is a website that provides real-time traffic updates for major cities in the United States. They offer live traffic maps, alerts, and reports on traffic conditions. Waze is a navigation app that offers real-time traffic updates, alerts, and rerouting suggestions. It uses data from other Waze users to provide up-to-date information on traffic conditions. Google Maps. Google Maps is a popular navigation app that offers real-time traffic updates and suggestions for alternate routes. It also provides information on traffic incidents and road closures. INRIX. INRIX is a provider of real-time traffic information and analytics. They offer a variety of services for businesses and governments, including traffic data analysis and predictive traffic modeling. Traffic Technology Today. Traffic Technology Today is a website that provides news and analysis on traffic management, smart mobility, and intelligent transportation systems. They cover topics like traffic congestion, road safety, and infrastructure. Traffic Safety Store. Traffic Safety Store is a website that offers a variety of products for traffic safety and management, including traffic cones, barricades, and signage. They also provide resources and tips for managing traffic in different settings. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is a government agency that works to reduce crashes and fatalities on U.S. roads. They provide information and resources on traffic safety, including tips for avoiding traffic jams and managing traffic incidents. These are just a few reputable sources for information about traffic jams. There are many other websites, apps, and resources available as well.